particular crypto space and you are mining this particular airdrop and you do not have this particular NFT, this, I tell you, you might really not be eligible for this particular airdrop. And not just only having it alone. And if those particular airdrop are not staked, just the way you are seeing my that they are staked here, you could see this one, this that they are. I tell you, you might be missing because you'll not be getting a lot of tickets. So this particular one, which is the third one, which is not stake, I just recently claimed it. So my ticket has actually worked some certain ticket for me. So let me claim here. So in this particular video, I'll be showing with you how to get this particular NFT and call special gift. And also I'll be sharing with you how you could stake it. So let's go back to the drawing board, how it all started. Yes, I think now you must know the airdrop I'm actually talking about because this is at the top here called the caps or Durov caps airdrop. So this is it. This is what was shared with the community, and I tell you this a particular airdrop that is under mine. So I tell you, if you haven't started mining it, I tell you I'll be dropping my link in the description of this particular video. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So we say chapter 0 is in the swing. The first reward and news section have been added to the app. If you haven't been active, you will be eligible for the participation in the first raffle of 100 row cap, more ticket, a secret status, and further reward. So let me show you what I've been gaining, some secret reward that I've been given for being consistent. Now, the first thing is that you have to be very consistent because you have to be consistent with your daily login. That is how you'll be able to get these special NFTs. You have to be consistent. So let's go back to the home page, which is here. Let me show you what is there. I've been consistent for the past 10 days. So you could see here now the chapter 0 that they are talking about, it is done and it is completed. I'm currently in the chapter 1, which is currently working for me, which is active. So let me go back to the previous place. Let me stick before I miss this particular staking. Do you see I've staked my 3 NFT, which are special gifts? So I'll tap on stake 3 items. Do you see they'll start working for me here? They'll start working for me here. You could see it's telling me that 3 NFT staked, and it will hand me some tickets, and this is it, 4 tickets per hour. So that has been done. So let's go back to the home page. So for you that you are having this particular ticket, you just have to stake them. And if you know you don't have it, you just have to be consistent in claiming your daily login. Then you'll be able, day 6 you'll be able to get this. Then on day 10 you'll be able to get this, and this other one on day I think 13. So now on this chapter 0, let's tap on it. There are some certain things you need to do. You could see it says chapter done. I'm done with it 100%. You could see I have 75 tickets there. Let me show you. Let me be pointing at them. I have ticket 75, which you could see here. Then secret reward, I have special status, access to raffle. These are the raffles I have access to. So that's been that. Invite friends, it is done. Subscribe to channel. If I tap on continue, you could see I've claimed the 7 ticket. Then you could see future reward that they say soon coming, future reward soon coming. So from others, those that are my referrer, I have 340 tickets from them. From referrals, I have 10. From staking, I have 48. So let's go back. Let's go back and let me show you more thing. So in this chapter 1, so let me tap on it to see what is embedded inside of it. So you could see they say chapter 1, they say buy access to a new chapter. So what they are telling us to buy access that the ticket you have around 1,000,000 plus ticket, access to raffle which is around 50 draw caps, and secret reward you'll be giving this, then chapter gift you getting this, then for premium so you have to pay with star by buying stars. So if you have star, you just have to click on this buy and earn to 50 ticket. So please kindly comment in the comment of the particular video if buying it is really worth it, and I want to hear from you if buying or not buying it will really worth. But I know this particular airdrop will actually do well. So one thing I would like you to know is that to get this particular third NFT is that you have to click on this particular join this particular partner. So you could see my is showing that it is done. It is showing done here. So what you just have to do is that you have to tap on this. It will take you to another Telegram bot. You just have to let it load, and once it is load, you come and click on it to checkmate it. And once it's checkmate, I think that one will be done. So when you come to this second place, you could see all your activities in full. You'll be able to see your tags, you'll be able to see your friends, and also you just have to check if to receive an bunker gift. So you have to, is a kind of a raffle draw. You could see it's coming up on some other people are winning it. I haven't win. Say congratulations, you are enter into a drawing. So you could see just tap on this got it. If your own is not showing got it, you just have to enter into that particular raffle draw. I think these are all those things you need to know about this Durov calf hairdrop. If this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another new video. Thank you. Bye.